Friends, you are going to see this dish, chicken Manchurian. How is it? So let's start. First we take a 1 pound of chicken, breast I'm using, clean it and cut half-inch cubes. We don't want big cubes. Slowly, precaution. You should have a sharp knife, give a sharp cut and very comfortably cut your chicken. So you have a chicken cubes now and put it in a little bit bigger bowl. So we are going to marinate. Egg yolk, whole you can say, egg. Chili flakes, I like. Salt. Black pepper. You have to see the seasoning properly, man. And this soy sauce. I'm using dark soy sauce. And then 1 tablespoon of cornstarch that bind the chicken. Mix it nicely. Don't put too much egg also and don't put too much corn flour. So now do the prep for a vegetable which I am going to use for this. I am using carrots. Make it thin slices. When you make any dish, you should have a prep ready. Chinese, best cooking, why I am saying while cooking you have everything ready. You don't run here and there. I am using green and yellow bell pepper. You can use whatever bell pepper you have, the red also, but it should be colorful. It look good, it gives a taste. And precaution, you should not overcook these peppers. Till you get the product, your Manchurian, you should see that. I am dices of a onion. I am using onion white. That also dices. Cutting should be equal for all. Now your onion is diced ready. This is a garnish, green onion. Like in Indian cuisine they use cilantro, in French they use parsley, Chinese they use this. Now in a pan take a oil, and if you are cooking at home, don't put too much at one batch. Like this one breast I'm using, I will fry twice. So marinate it and marinate for half an hour and take it out when it is light brown, because we have to fry twice. Another batch. When this will be light brown, we'll add that another which we already fried. So together we'll get the beautiful golden brown chicken. This is the only we are doing in an oil fry. Otherwise the dish is so healthy. See, I put that old one and fry till I get the chicken well done 80%, because we have to cook in a sauce also. Always see, if you want a tender chicken, take a temperature 165 degrees Fahrenheit. This will 2 minutes more will cook when we will make a sauce. Super duper dish. Keep it aside. In a pan take a 1 tablespoon cooking oil or a whatever olive oil you want. Chop garlic. Garlic should not be finely chopped. It should come in the mouth. Dice onion. That also a minute. And then this carrot, because carrot take little bit longer than the other vegetable which we are using for this dish. Oh my God, what a vegetable look like that. And what is this? Subscribe? I know, you know, everybody know. Don't show so many times. Soya sauce. white vinegar. What is this? Salt. Yes, seasoning must be there. And the black pepper. In chicken you will see the chili flakes, and this is the water. Water or a stock you can add as you want sauce. If you want completely dry, you don't have to add too much, but you need with the rice add a little bit, might be half cup. Then add your fried chicken. Toss well, so the sauce should cover everything. This is cornstarch with water, and see the consistency. It should not be thick, little bit, not a pouring consistency. It should cover a little bit to the back of the spoon. Garnish your green onion, and this is my friends ready to serve chicken Manchurian. See, I am tasting, I am enjoying that way. But I want you also to cook the same way. And what is this? Again. Hi friends, Namaskar. I am Chef Mangal. Today just I taste my chicken Manchurian. I say wow. It's not that I made it. This colorful, is healthy. Yeah, a little bit I fried, but it's not too oil there. And I am trying my best to every Saturday. You should get the best dish from around the world. I don't do anything, only research. I'm a retired person. I don't have anything burden on my head. I'm free bird. So I thought that like 43 years, whatever I learned from my big chefs like Chef Saraswat, Chef Harish Mathur, and lastly Chef Arun Chopra also, because I have worked with him so many years. I'm trying my best to every Saturday to get you something. That's I also need support, motivation. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Just subscribe. Click the bell, so every Saturday you should get it. Alright, I'm not asking too much. But if it's not good, I request you don't subscribe. But if it's worth to watch, then it makes sense to subscribe my channel. So see you next Saturday, super duper dish from my channel Chef Mangal Kitchen. Very shortly I am starting new channel. So see you next Saturday with another dish. Thank you. Take care of your family and your loved ones. See you. Thank you. Bye.